leaders, and others have died because of mismanagement and misrule of Nigeria. And more, except to go on what the Labour Party chairman and the leadership have said. What we are going through in Nigeria today is cumulative effect of leadership failure over the years. And all I can tell you is that my name is Peter Odu. You can go and ask. I've passed through so many stages in Nigeria. I'm a trader. I've used small business to big business. I've been in this corporate world where I've chaired banks and institutions, and I've chaired the Security and Exchange Commission, and I've been a governor where I've governed the state for 8 years, brought it from the brink in education, in health, in everything, where I made 35 billion outstanding gratuities and pension, and by the time I was leaving office, I did not owe gratuity, I did not owe pension, I did not owe salary, I did not owe supplier, I did not owe anybody. And I left the 3 banks in Nigeria. The banks are still standing there. I left the National Bank of Nigeria $50 million, 12 billion naira for the state. The bank is there, you can go and verify. Please, this is this time, so allow me to finish. Because my time is going. I left in Diamond Bank of Nigeria $50 million, 12 billion naira. And I left in Fidelity Bank $56 million, 12 billion naira. The banks are there. There are banks in Nigeria, you can go and verify. And since I left office, I don't trust that I'm not working pure water. And you can go and see what happened there. I have no land for anything given to me by Anambra State. But let me tell you, I have just a simple mission. Nigeria is an unproductive country. I just want to remove it from consumption, from sharing to production and creating. Simple thing. And to do that is very simple. If you listen to everybody talk about 100 million people living in poverty, why would you have a security problem? You will have. I agree with what everybody has said, but the way to make number one way to fight insecurity is to put people out of poverty. All South America is being used in Asia. So it's not everyone. You need to educate the people. You can't have almost 20 million people out of school and you have to solve the problem. We will invest in education. When this chairman was talking about being a power engineer. The reason why we don't have power in Nigeria is because our leaders have chosen not to do so. The first time this country borrowed money, ever, September 1964, was when the Boko Haram wrote to them worldwide for a loan of $82 billion to build the country down. And he said in there, I'm applying to build this facility, 760 megawatts of electricity, in order for economic growth of my country. Since 58 years ago, Nigeria could build 1,000 megawatts. Today, 58 years after, we are still struggling with 2, 3, 4,000. And as I did today Nigeria is only $120 billion. The money we borrowed in 1964, the value today is $1 billion. Imagine if I used a third of the money we are going to today's power, would have been generating 40,000 megawatts of electricity. We are not, because we consume the money. And that's why we find it difficult to service the debt. If you have 40,000 megawatts of electricity, you will be able to set up factories in all the malls and local government that my sister was talking about. If you want to do it today, you can't, because there's no power. There's no support. So you need power, and it's easy. Then nobody tell you it's difficult. We are 200 million people, and we are generating 4,000. South Africa just 60 million, they are generating 54,000. Egypt is 100 million, the third biggest economy in Africa. They are 100 million, they are generating 55,000. What will shock you that Egypt don't put their own between 2015 and 2020, they moved from 26 to 54,000. It's not rocket science. It can be done. What we need in Nigeria is that we need a leader with vision, capacity, competence that can deliver. Go and act about what I did in Anambra State. If this can be done, and I assure you that this country called Nigeria will start seeing a sense of hope if one work hard to bring in a new government. A government that will allow people's talent and work to match up the opportunity. A government that will stop wastage. A government that can look at the future of our children and know that we cannot continue this cancerism and stealing of government assets. My dear people, for the sake of our children, let's stop this. Otherwise, it will take its range on them. Thank you and God bless you.